Today, we're gonna learn how to transform a t-shirt like this into something like this. It's called acid washing. And yeah, we're gonna learn how to do it
today.
But actually, I really like this t-shirt and it's pretty hot out and I don't wanna sweat in this. So we're gonna do another cool shirt change. Okay, I got my shirt right here. Put it into a little ball like this. And now I'm not wearing it anymore. Actually, I'm gonna fold it up. Don't wanna get it all wrinkled. So just to give a little bit of pretext or context, just to give a little bit of context of what's going on, the shirts that we are acid washing today are from Hydra. And Ryan also made a video of us first doing it a couple weeks ago. Here's a little snippet of that video.
That's so sick. The way that it's drying, it's getting a little lighter. Look how dope that is.
Dude. So dope.
Oh my god. I think after we wash them as well, it's gonna be a whole different story. This one's like pretty overkill, but I think it's sick. Oh my god, this one's gotta be my favorite so far. It's almost
looked like tiger claws.
Tiger, yeah.
We ended up selling those shirts and hoodies and they sold out in 4 minutes, which is bananas. But today, I've got a couple more products to acid wash. We got to acid wash for 2 people. 2 very cool people. Well, actually no, 3. One hoodie is mine. I'm just doing it for fun. Count me as a cool person if you want, but whatever. 2 cool people we're acid washing for. Travis McBride, who, if you remember, Travis was in this video.
This is going to hang in the new office when the boys jump. Be an SFW easier. Look at that.
Yeah, are we upside down?
I don't
Who
know.
knows?
No, because the city, dude.
Who knows?
No,
Oh, but the city can go either way.
No, there's just the integrations logo.
And the other person is Bryant. He's an amazing photographer. I'm sure I don't really need to do any explaining, but here are some photos from Bryant. He reached out to Ryan asking to get his hands on some acid wash products, and I'm stepping up to the plate, you know? Do a little acid wash. The things I do sometimes are just super corny, and I apologize, but it's probably gonna end up in the video because that's my personality, and so, yeah. But anywho, I figured if I'm acid washing already, I might as well make a tutorial because we had a lot of people ask how we made these shirts. Here's a simple tutorial. And as a disclaimer, I've only done it once before, so I'm not technically an expert. And so this is just what I have learned to do. So let's continue. So the first step is to decide what you want to acid wash, which for me is a simple step 1 because I know exactly what I want to acid wash. If you bought Hydra Round 8, this is one of the options you could have got: a t-shirt, magnetic opening, and whoa! So these are the Round 8 t-shirts, which currently are sold out, so you can never get your hands on one of these again. So very exclusive item, and we're gonna make it more exclusive by acid washing it. So first step is complete. Know what you wanna acid wash. This step is called water and bleach because I got water and bleach. I filled up this bottle like about 1/4 or 1/5 of water, and the rest will be bleach. The protection step. You want to get something on the ground to make sure grass or whatever you're acid washing on doesn't get ruined. And you got your mask to protect all your breathing apparatuses because bleach will give off a nasty fume and you don't want to be smelling that. And lastly, your gloves, because you don't want to get bleach on your skin. If you have an open cut, not good, so gloves are good. this step is to just simply wash and dry. Did low setting, warm cold water, no soap, just to make sure all the bleach was settled and everything was good to go, and then put it in the dryer until they were dry. Obviously, because that's what dryers do.
Coming in, yeah, flex, I just wanna win, yeah, LABB who we running with, yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again.
Just admire what you just created. These are the finished pieces. And to be honest, the spray bottle was a bit too spray-y. I left a lot of little dots, but I would have liked to seen less dots and more just like splatted designs, but that's a tricky thing when you're just using a spray bottle. You are limited to that spray bottle, so there's different ways you could do it, but this is just one way by using a spray bottle. But at the end of the day, I think they came up pretty cool. Travis and Bryant, if you're out there watching, hope you enjoyed it. I'm a little nervous right now because, you know, surprising someone's always a little nerve-wracking. You don't know what their reaction is gonna be, but hope you guys liked it. And I hope everyone watching liked watching this video. Hope you learned something, and if you wanna try acid washing yourself, please do. And let me know if my tutorial was good, if it was bad, mediocre, all right, cool, not good, whatever. Let me know. And yeah, if anyone out there has more video ideas or something they'd like to see me do, please just leave a comment down below. I'll read it. I pretty much read every comment, and I will try to respond to every comment. I try to give back to you guys as much as I can, and you know, giving you my time and attention with YouTube comments and everything is one of the things I can do to keep this conversation going, because I do appreciate every last one of you a lot, a lot. With all that being said, I'm out. I'll see you guys in a very short future. Adios. Okay, so I want to be as completely transparent as possible here. And watching this footage right now, I don't know what the heck was happening with this last hoodie. The sweatshirt seemed to be like super repellent, and that's never happened. Well, it didn't happen to these three, and it didn't happen when Ryan and I acid washed like 18 hoodies and t-shirts. So I was literally so baffled. Like, I'm trying it over here on these other hoodie. No idea if it's like the concentrate with the bleach in the water, if that mixture, I don't know. I was just trying to figure it out. Like here, just moving around like it's alive. Like this water beads are just beating off the sweatshirt. And literally just here in a panic because I have no idea what's going on. And I don't know what to do. All the other ones came out okay. But right here, like even I pick it up and all the water just boom, goes off the hoodie. And I am just, even watching this playback right now, I don't know what's happening. And I literally just sit back. We have to deal with whatever comes at us and go with the flow and just hope everything works out okay. But I wanted to just put this in here because I wanted to just shed light on the fact that I really don't know exactly what I'm doing. I'm not an expert by any means, and I'm learning as I go and going through trials and tribulations just like anyone out there is probably watching, and if they want to try it. And if these people, you know, run into any problems, I just want you guys to know that I run into problems all the time as well. You have to push through like the hard times and the things that might seem challenging and just work with it. And the sweatshirt ended up being cool, so everything's all good. But I'll stop talking. I just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, like I said earlier, a couple minutes ago, I'll be back very shortly.